Everybody, so I'm at Cordova Lanes. I accidentally deleted the video out and I forgot which video it was, but that's okay. But I'm at Cordova Lanes for a costume charity ball. This is my second time doing it. I couldn't do it last year because my truck was messing up, and here's one of my troop photos I got in. After that, my belt just practically fell apart.
See Mike waving over there in the corner there. Got a lot of nice fitting cupcakes, cookies.
It fell apart because of I was trying to do a Velcro replacement. Anyway, I got it fixed. But here's one. Here's just a few. There wasn't a lot of cosplayers here. There was some of us here, but due to the congestion in the bowling alley for this specific one, because it's not really big enough, pictures were down to like a minimum for me because it was a mess. But just some photos here, and I did get a photo of our booth. See, there it is. But I had a wonderful time, and I look forward, Lord willing, to doing it next year. Hey y'all, so I ended up leaving early. I had to leave like right around 3:30 because I totally forgot that the concert that I'm headed to right now starts at right around like 4:30. I thought it started at 6. I was wrong, and that's okay. I was wrong. So I'm headed there. I hope you like the video. I'll see you on the next one. Hey everybody, thanks for watching my video. Appreciate it. I'm Jedi Master Arden at TI18623. Thank you so much, y'all. Until next time, all hail the Empire, and may the Force be with you always. Until then, I gotta go, y'all. See you later. Gets under attack. Gotta go.